Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the some of the discounts prices for the Tesla in the inventories. So as right now, it's towards the end of the month. So Tesla usually pushes hardcore towards the end of the month. So usually like by September 30th or 31st, you got to pick it up, the vehicle, to qualify for the discount. But for those of you who are needing the vehicles right now, and and the saving is good enough for you, then stick around for this discount. Okay, so as you can see on the screens right here, it says Jonathan's referral applied, so that means you get $1,000 off. And one might ask, how do I get that? So usually, like on my videos, I have a link, so you can see right here, that's the link to my referral. So you just click on one of my videos, and under the information, it has that link right there. Right, you click on it, and it'll take you here, and it'll say that the $1,000 applied. So as far as you can see right here, look at this demo vehicle. It has 0 miles, so pretty much not even driven, but it's listed as demo. So like we can do a little demo right here and see what's the saving is. So the regular price for this is 4,749. 0, right? And the minus 46600 is, I'm mixing one of the numbers. Sorry. Let's do it again. So 47990 minus 46600. So $1,390 plus $1,000 off referral. That's like what, $2,300 right there off the back. And depending on some, you might get more than that. So total maybe about $2,300, $2,500. That's where you're going to be looking at the savings. Here, the demo's vehicle is only 8 miles. This one's 49 miles. So this one's not bad. This one is a really nice color right here, the ultra red. So this one usually at $2,000 on top, but right now you can get it for $39,920. And look at this. This is all long range right here. And I think they don't just have one. They have more than one. So depending on the color that you want, they got like midnight silver, gray, white, blue, white, stealth gray, black, So before, when I bought my vehicle, that was the same thing through the inventory. And that was like the 28th, I think. And then I picked up the 29th. I think I bought it the 27th. And then I picked up on the 29th. But you can see here, they have a lot of different colors. So before, for my vehicle, just pop up. And then but it's hard to say. Back then, the demand was really, Tesla was way behind on producing the vehicles. But now, as you can see, they have a lot of vehicles. So the choices are up to you, whichever colors you want to pick, right? Really nice. So we can just pick one and just go through the breakdowns. You can see, so this one right here, it's actually 46,000. So we click on this one. Let's take a look at the detail of it. So again, it's remind you $1,000 off on your Model 3. This is the refresh model. We all know that. And again, we don't need to go through the specs right here. So it's $45,600 right here. This is include all the price adjustment, right? And again, this one has 25 miles on it. And if you want the full self-driving, you can get it for $8,000. And this is just lists you all the warranty. And this one, it's available for pickup immediately, right now, in Carlsbad. But if you want to transfer to Irvine, you can. Let's check out this one, the red color. See if the saving might be more. So as you can see, the saving for the red color is a little bit more. It's 46,000, but all the price adjustment you can see right here. This one is actually more. It's $2,070, right? So after tax and credit, it's $38,000, which is awesome, guys. Awesome price. And again, the $7,500 they deducted at the point of sale, which is good. But other than that, the rest it's going to be the same. All the warranty is the same. Check this out. This one maybe is previously repaired, so that's why. So make sure you double check, even though it says demo, but let's click on it and see what happens here. So this vehicle with the VIN number was previously damaged, repaired, or has a remaining item that requires a disclosure based on the local regulations. In addition to notes, if applicable, attaches repair order. So total cost. It doesn't give us the exact details of what happened, but it actually, because I think due to regulation, Tesla got to disclose all this, and that's why they couldn't sell this as a new vehicle, because they fix it. But the cost was $798, right? So that's why. There we go. So we can see why the adjustment is 2,000 something, right? But if you don't care about that, then you can pick this one. But they have not just one; they have many other ones. Well, let's see if any other ones, another white ones. Let's see, maybe this one, right? See what the saving is. So this one, the savings adjustment is $910. But as you can see, right now you're getting this car. It's nice, it's fast, 44 miles. So again, if you're not in a hurry, then you can wait. Give it maybe about another week. Tesla might push out with like free supercharging. I think the last time I think they had 5,000, but when I bought it, I got 10,000. So who knows? Maybe 3,000 within the next week, and then maybe another 5,000 when it get close to like maybe 3 to 5 days towards the end of the month. But if you need a vehicle right now, $2,000 savings, 1,500. On a refresh model, you don't need to wait. You can pick it up at the showroom near you, which is awesome, right? So yeah, remember, if you need the $1,000 off, use my referral code. It will be in the descriptions. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave in the comment below. But other than that, thank you. Be safe. Till next time.